In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable fast charging. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Battery. Now scroll again, this time to click on the charging settings available at the bottom. Finally, use this switcher next to Smart Rapid Charging to either switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!